Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video where in today's one we're taking a look at Zapier and I'll be showing you how can you integrate Google Sheets with your Zapier profile. So let's jump right into it now. First of all, open up Zapier on your web browser, log in with your profile. On the left hand side down here, you will navigate on to App Connections. And to create a new app connection, you will click on this blue button. In the app field, you will search for Google Sheets. Once you find it, you'll click on Add Connection, and it will open up a new window where you'll have to connect your Google account with Zapier. It will allow all of the um, you'll allow all of the information, and now as you can see right here, my connection has been added, and you can manage your connection app connections from this page as well. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.